Philadelphia experiment is a series of secret military projects which took place in 1943 in a Philadelphia shipyard. At that time, the Navy was really interested in camouflaging its ships. The original idea that the Navy had was to actually make the ship radar invisible.
The Philadelphia experiment involved a US Navy destroyer that underwent the most strangest of experiments, with the concept being that if the ship were surrounded by incredibly intense electromagnetic fields, could it distort our vision of it enough that it became invisible?
Imagine a warship disappearing into thin air, a crew lost in time, a government experiment shrouded in secrecy. Could it be real, or is it just another legend? The year was 1943. The world was at war. The United States Navy sought an advantage against enemy submarines. One of their goals to make ships invisible to radar. This led to one of the most controversial conspiracy theories in military history, the Philadelphia experiment. The story claims that the USS Eldridge was part of a top secret experiment at the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard. But what exactly happened that day? According to reports, the experiment began with a powerful electromagnetic field generators placed aboard the USS Eldridge. The goal: to bend light and radio waves, rendering the ship invisible. Witnesses claimed that as the experiment began, a strange green-blue haze surrounded the ship, and then, in an instant, it disappeared. What happened next remains a terrifying mystery. Some say the ship disappeared, not in Philadelphia, but over 200 miles away in Norfolk, Virginia. Others claim it vanished entirely for several minutes before returning to its original location. But the most disturbing reports were not about the ship, they were about the crew. Survivors reported horrifying side effects. Some were said to be fused into ship's hull, their bodies trapped in the metal. Others suffered from mental breakdowns, claiming they had traveled through time or seen other dimensions. The experiment was quickly shut down. The US Navy denied any involvement. But was it a cover-up? Could a ship really teleport? Scientists say no. The physics behind such an event would require an understanding of Einstein's unified field theory, something that even today remains incomplete.